Hello, and welcome to another tutorial from Hosted Connection. Today, we'll be going over the steps on how to install Accession Communicator on your desktop. First, open up a browser and visit https://myhostedconnection.com. When directed to the login page, please enter the phone number and password supplied to you by Hosted Connection. You are now logged into your user comm portal. To download the Accession Desktop Communicator, please click on Downloads on the bottom right. Accession Communicator can be downloaded on multiple devices ranging from iPads, Android tablets, mobile phones, and desktop computers. In this tutorial, we'll be installing the Accession Communicator on the computer. Accession is already highlighted for you to install. The system automatically detects your OS and provides you a link to download Accession. In this scenario, the computer I am installing on is a Windows 10. When clicking on it, the soft phone will start downloading on the bottom left of your browser. When finished, please click and open the file. You will be directed to an Accession Communicator setup wizard. Follow the steps to start your download. Select Launch Accession Communicator on startup. You will only select this if you like Accession Desktop to start just when your computer starts. I do recommend it. Then press Install. Click Finish to launch Accession Communicator. You will be prompted to have a link or log in manually. Please click on Login Manually. Now you will need to provide and select your communication provider. Please select Hosted Connection and press OK. Now please enter the phone number and password that was given to you by Hosted Connection. Please accept the terms. And now you are logged into your Accession Desktop Communicator.